Hi, Dan. I don't have any money. Can I still invest in real estate?
Question, Dan, I don't even have enough money to buy one unit. How could I get started in real estate? The answer is don't. Don't start investing in real estate. You're approaching it the wrong way. You're hoping to buy one unit, you'll get rich quick. So you buy one unit, even you over leverage, you do nothing down type deal, you're barely breaking even, you're getting 20, 30, 50, 100 bucks coming in a month. How is that going to change your life? How is that going to change your financial life? It is idiotic. It's dumb. Now, I'm not saying don't do real estate. I love real estate. But before you do real estate, you need to have a base. What is that base? It is the ability to generate income. If you don't have the ability to generate income, my question for you is, what happens if you cannot find a tenant? How are you going to pay for that mortgage? What if the toilet breaks? How are you going to pay for any kind of things that you need to fix in that unit? What are you going to do? You can't. You don't know what to do. That's the problem. You need to have income coming in. First, income is king, right? You got to have income coming in. Have stability first, so you don't need to worry about it. When you have good money management habits, put some of that money aside, then do your first deal. Doesn't have to be a big deal. Do your first real estate deal and look and learn from it, right? Look for a good property to invest in. But if you don't even do that, buying that one unit, how's that going to change your life? That's the problem. You want to get rich quick with real estate. No, you need something else that produces income, a skill, a business that produces income for you before you put money into real estate, right? You don't need a lot of money to get started, but you need some money to get started. Have some money coming in, put the money aside, then do your first deal. Do a couple of deals, learn from it. Then you move into bigger deals, maybe a commercial deals like this later on, right? Then you're doing condos, you're doing multifamily, now you're doing industrial, you're doing storage units, you're doing retail, whatever you might invest in, offices. That's when you get bigger. But you gotta start somewhere. Investigate before you invest. You gotta know your business. If you are going to get into real estate, you better learn the game. You better know how to do it. You better know your market. You better know how to negotiate. You better know how to sell. You better know how to talk to the banks. Do you know any of those things? You don't, you're not qualified to be an investor. You're far from it. Far, far, far from it.